Hi, this is Edward Moose, and today I will show you how to use Blue Beam Revu. Blue Beam Revu is a PDF viewer that has Adobe Pro capabilities in addition to markup, measurement, comparison, among others. Let's open Blue Beam Revu by clicking on the icon on the desktop. Blue Beam Revu is commonly used by engineering and construction industry to do estimation. For example, you can determine area of unknown components, the length, or even perimeter, and also you can determine the volume, area, and distance of construction components like the plan. You can find the area of this room, bedroom, master bedroom, or even you can find the volume of concrete pour. When Blue Beam Revu opens, this is how it looks. In this tutorial, we are going to use Blue Beam Revu to determine unknown length of this house plan. So let us go back to our Blue Beam Revu. First of all, we have to open your document by going to Open. Select your document. You can zoom in and out your document by holding Ctrl and then using your mouse to scroll. First, we have to start taking measurements, but before then we need to calibrate our scale. So go to Tools, Measure, Calibrate, and select 2 points with a known length. For example, in this document, the length from here to here, it's 830 millimeters. So select that length and validate that that length is exact. If not, just input here the exact value of that length, then press OK. Then we have done calibrating our document. Go back to Tools. Then our first tool we are going to use today is length. So we are going to measure length of this drawing. Once you have selected length, pick 2 points that you want to determine the length. So that is the length from here to here. To edit this, press Escape and then select. Then you can edit in the properties. Our next tool that we are going to use is Area. So go to Tools, Measure, Area. You can easily calculate the area of a room or a space by just highlighting that area. Similarly, to edit this, press Escape, select that area and change their properties. our that tool, its volume. You can use volume tool to calculate the volume of materials, e.g. concrete pour. So select the portion that you want to calculate the volume. So the volume is indicated here. Press escape and select that volume to edit. And before then, we have to change the depth of this volume. So to change the depth, go to measurements by clicking this ruler icon on your left. Another window will open up. Under depth, please enter the depth of the area that you selected. For example, it is a slab. You can input maybe a thickness of 200 millimeters, then click recalculate. You will find a new volume will populate. And before I forget, once you do the editing, if you want the same properties to be maintained, ensure you go to click this icon here on your top left, and then ensure that you set as default. We will move on to markup tools, and in this tutorial we will only discuss two tools. So go to tools, markup. As you can see here, these are markup tools and there are too many. You can practice on your own, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a callout and a polygon. So let's get started with a callout. The callout tool helps to write text anywhere in your document. If I want to write a text here, just click in the area that you want to write, and then drag your mouse and then click and type your text. Once you are done, press escape, select your callout, change the font, enable auto text box, you can change the color, something visible like magenta red. You can also drag your callout to any place that you want it to be. You can also fill it with a color. So that's how you get callouts. Let's move on to Polygon tool. So go to tools, markup, and select polygon. The polygon tool helps to draw shapes in your document so as you can note areas in your drawing that are not open space. For example, if you have a specific equipment that is needed to be placed in this room but it's not yet drawn on here, you can supplement that by drawing a polygon and adding text and properties. For example, if I need to add let me say a sink here, I will draw a shape using Polygon Tool and add some text here to show that I need some additional sink to be added here. Another thing that you can do with Blue Beam Revu is taking snapshots. By going to Edit, select Snapshot, or you can just select it right here, or you can press G on your keyboard and select the area that you want to take a snapshot. Press Ctrl C to select and paste it somewhere. It can be either in a document software like Microsoft Word, or your email if you want to send it to your client to see the revisions that you have made without affecting the entire document. Thank you very much, and this comes to the end of our tutorial, and we are going to create more tutorials on Blue Beam Revu, so please subscribe to my channel for more updates. In the next tutorial, we are going to discuss on comparison. That's where combining multiple documents into one document, and also comparing two different documents. Thanks for watching.